Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron different fabrics. Always check the care label first to determine the fabric type and recommended ironing temperature. Begin by sorting your clothes, ironing delicate fabrics at lower temperatures and heavier ones at higher settings. A clean ironing board and distilled water in your iron will help achieve a smooth finish. Remember to iron dark items inside out to avoid creating a shiny appearance. For cotton and linen, it's best to iron them when they are slightly damp. These durable fabrics can withstand high heat, so set your iron between 350 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Use plenty of steam to tackle deep wrinkles, ensuring a crisp finish. Work in sections for larger items, moving the iron smoothly and consistently to achieve the best results. When ironing silk and synthetic fabrics like polyester or rayon, use a low heat setting, typically around 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Always turn these delicate garments inside out to prevent scorching or shine. For extra protection, place a thin pressing cloth between the iron and the fabric. Avoid direct steam on silk, as it can leave unwanted water spots, so iron dry. For wool garments, use a medium heat setting and always place a damp pressing cloth over the fabric. This prevents direct contact and adds necessary moisture, protecting the fibers from damage or shine. When tackling denim, turn the item inside out and use a high heat setting with ample steam. Start by ironing the seams and pockets, then move to the larger flat sections for a smooth finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.